is what you need to gain. Ito kasi, the technique for this one, this is the red na ball pen. Pero mapapansin mo yung principle. The principle of the gradient, from dark to light, mapapansin mo ito dito. From dark to the mid-tone and to the light hanggang doon sa highlights. Mapapansin mo din siya dito. From the dark tone to the mid-tone to the light. Mapapansin mo rin siya dito. Dark, mid, light. Dark, mid, light. It's actually towards where the sun or the source of light is coming in. So kung makita mo siya on a technical aspect, medyo mapapansin mo na kung paano siya apply. The light is played here, nandito yung light. So merong tama ng ilaw dito, there's a casted shadow at the side. The area that is actually at the rear portion of the light, yun yung medyo cascade siya. Okay. Pero paano nagkakaroon yung transition? Bakit yung kanyang corners are typically highlighted? So ganito siya bale.